Just as we cannot escape the effects of the season, we cannot escape the effects of the and about the details of those yugas, it is highly mathematical. If you can spend 2 or 3 hours with me personally, I can explain to you how they are computed in the scriptures. Because it definitely fails to attract the interest of the common people who sit in a conference. The causes appear to be prenatal. In many cases, I detected prenatal causes to such incidents. My research about this point began when I noticed a friend very much afraid of snakes. He was not only afraid of snakes but also afraid of a mention of snakes. When he happened to see the picture of a snake anywhere in any house, immediately he receives a nerve shock and goes away. And for about 1 or 2 days he is disturbed. Then my researches resulted in an observation that when his mother was carrying him, she was sleeping in the village. From the top of the cottage, a snake fell upon her and went away. She was left quite unhurt, but she received a horrible mental shock. Due to such reasons, you find the instinctive fear of certain insects and snakes and scorpions. And there is a common fear which is to some extent common to all of us about these insects. And there is a deeper cause for this. You will understand it if you go deep into the world scriptures. Until the advent of man was there on this earth, there were no venomous insects on this earth. And when man began to hate man, the thought forms of man escaped from his mind into the space around this earth. The images of jealousy and hatred escaped in thought forms, which produced the various venomous insects. This is how the scriptures speak about these venomous creatures. Because the fear of the human being is quite different from the fear of any of the animals. To the animals, it is an instinct to protect itself. In the case of a human being, fear is intellectualized and magnified. If a scorpion were to be on the way, it never gives a sting to you unless you cause some pressure to it. Even then, it is only a necessity that it makes a sting, and there is no vicious motive. But when you observe that a human being, if he suspects the existence of a scorpion, he makes a thorough search with the help of lights. He hunts it and kills it. We can easily understand where the poisonous nature exists originally. And we cannot deny this fact. Man kills for no reason but for his fear or for his fancy, whereas animal kills either for food or for protection. No, which one?
Special fear, phobia.
Special fear can be from the previous birth, but the general fear is due to the instinctive evil in human nature.
Specific fear.
A specific fear may have its causes in the previous karma. No, intelligence is given to man by nature to make his place impossible for scorpions to come. And if at all they come by accident, the human being has intelligence enough to throw it away without killing. It is only for that purpose intelligence is given for the human being. No, they are giving a patient hearing to the patients. They are giving no solution. Fees is being paid only to give a patient hearing. But if any psychiatrist were to give useful advice and procedure and solution, I am ready to be his disciple from today. He can at best analyze the causes why he is not sleeping. It is not what the poor patient requires. He wants a solution, not a psychoanalysis. Healing is different from psychoanalysis. There is no limitation that a psychiatrist cannot be a healer also, because he is also as much a human being as other healers are.